Today, I will be briefing you about the many reasons to exercise. Exercise is seen as a powerful medicine because adults who sit less and do any amount of moderate to vigorous physical activity will gain some health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of regular exercise. Lifts your mood. Improves learning abilities. Builds self-esteem. Keeps your brain fit. Boosts mental health. Keeps your body fit and able. Boost your immune system. Reduces stress. Makes you feel happier. Has anti-aging effects. Improves skin tone and color. Improves sleeping patterns. Helps prevent strokes. Improves joint function. Improves muscle strength. Alleviates anxiety. Sharpens memory. Helps to control addictions. Boosts productivity. Boosts creative thinking. Improves body image. Gives you confidence. Helps keep you focused in life. Improves eating habits. Increases longevity. Strengthens your bones. Strengthens your heart. Improves posture. Prevents colds. Improves appetite. Improves cholesterol levels. Lowers the risk of certain cancers. Lowers high blood pressure. Lowers risk of diabetes. Fights dementia. Eases back pain. Decreases osteoporosis risk. Reduces feelings of depression. Prevents muscle loss. Increases energy and endurance. Increases sports performance. Increases pain resistance. Improves balance and coordination. Improves oxygen supply to cells. Improves concentration. Helps with self-control. Lessens fatigue. Increases sex drive and satisfaction. Makes life more exciting. Improves your quality of life. However, don't exercise if your signs and symptoms are below the neck, such as a heart condition, chest congestion, a hacking cough, or upset stomach. Don't exercise with people if you've got COVID-19 or other contagious illnesses. Don't exercise if you've got a fever, fatigue, or widespread muscle aches. If you must exercise, please consult the help of your physician, a doctor, nurse, for some advice. Thank you.